During a familiarization tour of education facilities at the Kiryandongo Refugee Settlement, Dr. Kedrace Turyagyenda, the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Education and Sports, aimed to assess the quality of schools serving students in the refugee community.
These areas up to north have been receiving a lot of the Sudanese refugees, an influx of them, and we thought we would need to understand that situation even as we support the whole program as the Ministry of Education and Sports.
After engaging with the district leaders, Dr. Turyagyenda visited Kiryandongo High School, where she interacted with new arrivals from Sudan.
See those ones who have brothers at home, those who have brothers, put your hands up, brothers. Our commitment as the government of Uganda is that whenever someone comes running for help, we should never chase them away. And if they come with children that need school, can we try to accommodate them? So that is our focus.
The district education officer and the school managers in the settlement provided a detailed report on the education situation in both the district and the settlement.
In other words, the teacher-pupil ratio is still high. Right now it stands at 1 to 85, generally in the district settlement inclusive.
The shortage of lateral instances. We have 41 out of 175 required.
The Permanent Secretary, on behalf of the government, committed towards responding to some hindrances.
Inadequate teachers, inadequate space is not actually just in the refugee hosting areas. It's a national challenge and really comes out of the fact that our population growth is much higher than our economic growth. So it's a big problem, the sector knows about it, and we are trying our best through our plans to see how we can continually do a catch-up.
School managers in the refugee settlements are urged to be innovative without leaving any learner behind. These are challenged to improvise available resources to provide quality education.
So one way of doing it is using double shift. It can be school-based, a double shift, where the classrooms which are on can accommodate all learners in a day, but in a rotational manner, while others are outside learning. But also to say that learning is not only in the four corners of a classroom. Learning is more than that.
Development partners like the United Nations High Commission for Refugees reaffirmed their commitment for working with the government to provide quality education to both the displaced and host communities.
During the influx, the initial stage of arrival, the team has already gathered and looked at the issues, what are the challenges that we are facing now with the new arrival. And quickly, solutions were made. We are constrained by the available resources.
As of November 30th, 2024, Uganda is home to 1.7 million refugees and asylum seekers, 67% of whom are between the age of 5 and 17 and in need of education services. In response, the government has introduced the education plan for refugees aimed at empowering displaced persons with quality education, including a special package for psychosocial support.